Straight talk.
Noma
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
I get it.
Okay, go bompinelo na ka speak.
Kosi siyeleli Africa. Ma kaspedi. Eh.
Yo, engithemile man.
Baba.
Yeah, you've tamed me. Idoni Nkosi Sikelel Africa.
Sisina. Okay. Nkosi
English and Afrikaans.
English and Afrikaans. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm not educated because of apartheid.
Baba wami. Okay, ngicela ngezulu or Sotho.
Nkosi Sikelel Africa. Maliphakamiswe dumo lakho.
Saudi call to come together. In united we shall be.
Ngiyabonga siswami.
Diploma. Amen. En die diep den van ons hier. Hoor siege en pechtes van die grenzen aan von hier. So they come together and united we shall stand. Let us lead and strive for freedom in South Africa, our land.
The question that one is Mikhali.
National symbol like rainbow. National symbol like what? A rainbow.
Yeah, and not that we got serious. Mikhali, and that's what's a bit like yes.
How many?
In 9 years old.
Gauteng, Limpopo, Northwest, Northern Cape, Eastern Cape, Western Cape.
Can you name them?
Yay! Yay! Limpopo, Gauteng. Yay!
Kira ngwa ke thoma na kwa ke toi fitla ka spedi yo.
Tla mpinelo na ka speak.
Morena buluka setšhaba sa weso dintwa le masenyego o se boloke setšhaba sa yo wow kala kae
Let's go Africans
80 blow van ons eie 80 de van ons Sewe gevegtes waar die kranse aan word gee. Sons are called to come together and united we shall stand. Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa.